Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. If you are a user of the Microsoft Edge web browser, just make sure that your browser is up to date, as there was a security update that started rolling out late on January the 20th, rolled out yesterday through the day and today. So go to your Microsoft Edge stable version, go into the upper right dots, and then go down to help and feedback and about Microsoft Edge. Normally, if you use Edge every day, it should have updated itself automatically, but just in case, just make sure that you're at 97.0.1072.69 like you see here. What is in there? A big security flaw that has been fixed. So it's not exploited by bad guys or anything apparently, but it is a high severity security risk. So that has been released for Edge, and that of course will keep you safe. That's why it's important to do so. Somebody was asking me if they don't use Edge, if it's really a big problem that he doesn't really go and update it every time there's a security update and things like that, if he's makes him more at risk. The idea behind it is that if you don't use Edge, and if the defaults in Windows never open Edge, usually it doesn't matter much, because Edge needs to be your browser that you're using to actually have the security flaws exploited. But it's not a bad idea to update it just in case that some link or something would open an Edge by accident for some reason. And by making sure that Edge is up to date, well, you'll never have really a problem with the security risks. But technically, if you're using Chrome, for example, and you never use Edge, and Edge never is used, even if a security flaw is not fixed, technically it's not a problem, because that's not the browser you're using. But like I said, security is security, and it's always better to have all of your software up to date. So even if you're not using Edge, making sure that it's to the latest updates with its security fixes is not necessarily a bad idea. So check it out if you are a Microsoft Edge user. Once again, upper right corner, and to help and feedback and about Microsoft Edge, make sure that you're at the latest update for security. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.